Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Sarada Devi Maths Classes. Today we will start chapter 9 triangles. What is a triangle? These three are line segments. So a plane figure bounded by three straight line segments is a triangle. So we can name this triangle as A, B and C. So A, B and C are the vertices and AB, BC and CA are the sides of the triangle. So 6 important parts are there for a triangle. If this is the triangle, here all the three sides are of different lengths. So its angles are also of different measures. That is, if this is A, B and C, this is the shortest one. So the angle opposite to that will be the smallest and it's the longest side, BC. So the angle opposite to that, that is this A, that is the largest angle, and angle opposite to this AC, that is B, that is the middle one, measuring between the other two. So in this case, AB, which is not equal to BC and that is not equal to CA. So in cases, two sides of the triangle are of equal length. That is, if this is A, B and C, AB will be equal to AC. Then opposite angles are also equal. So AB opposite angle is C. AC opposite angle is B. So these two are equal. That is, angle B is equal to angle C. In other words, we can say that if two angles are of equal measurement, then sides opposite to those angles will be of equal length. So if these two are of equal measurement, then sides opposite means AC and AB. They are also of equal measurement, equal length. So AB equals AC implies angle B is equal to angle C. In this triangle, all the sides are of equal length. So in this case, angles opposite to each side is also equal. So in other words, we can say that if all the three angles are equal, sides opposite to those angles are also equal. That is, if this is A, B and C, then AB is equal to BC is equal to CA, which implies that angle A is equal to angle B is equal to angle C. Median of a triangle corresponding to any side. If this is a triangle, say ABC, median of this triangle ABC corresponding to the side BC. For that, we have to mark midpoint of BC. Then the opposite vertex is A. Then the line joining A to that point, let it be D. Then the line joining A to D is the median of the triangle corresponding to the side BC. So this AD is the median. Like that, if you take AC, the side AC, midpoint of that is E. Then the line joining B to E is the median corresponding to AC. Then median corresponding to the side AB of the triangle is this is the midpoint. The line joining opposite vertex C to F, that is the median corresponding to the side AB. So the median is CF. Here we can see that those three medians meet at a point. This point of concurrence of these three medians is called as centroid, denoted as G. So G is the centroid of the triangle. The centroid divides each median in the ratio 2:1. So this AG is to GD, that is equal to 2:1. Like that, if we take BE, BG is to GE, that is also in the ratio 2:1. Then if you take C, CG is to GF, that is in the ratio 2:1. Thus a triangle has three medians. Now next, altitude. Altitude of a triangle PQR corresponding to any side is the length of the perpendicular drawn from the opposite vertex to that side. So if you take P, opposite vertex, and we want altitude corresponding to QR, then we will draw perpendicular from this vertex P to the side QR. So this is the perpendicular. So that this angle is 90 degree. This point is S. Now again I am going to draw altitude corresponding to the side PR. For that we have to draw perpendicular from Q to PR. So this is the perpendicular. This angle is 90 degree. The point is T. Now the altitude corresponding to the side PQ of the triangle is the length of the perpendicular drawn from the opposite vertex R to this side PQ. This is the perpendicular. This is U. So this RU, that is the altitude to the side PQ. There are three altitudes for a triangle, and the three altitudes will meet at a point, and the point of concurrence is called as orthocenter O. If you take a triangle, say ABC, these are the three angles A, B and C. Then if you take the sum of the three angles, angle A plus angle B plus angle C, that will be equal to 180 degree. This is called as angle sum property. Sum of the angles of a triangle is 180 degree. That is two right angles, that is 90 degree plus 90 degree. So sum of the angles of a triangle is two right angles. This is triangle ABC. If one side of this triangle is produced, that is if you produce this and you are extending this side AB like this, and you are extending this BC like this, these are the interior angles. Then if you are producing these sides, then the exterior angles are formed. This is the exterior angle. So here the exterior angles are formed is sum of the interior opposite angles. Interior opposite angles are B and C, not A. So sum of B and C, that is angle B plus angle C. Here in this case, exterior angle of B, this is the exterior angle, that is the sum of interior opposite angles, that is angle A plus angle C. Here exterior angle is this, that is the sum of the interior opposite angles, that is angle A plus angle B. Now the congruent triangles. Two triangles, say ABC and PQR, they are said to be congruent to each other if on placing one over the other they exactly coincide. That is, if you take two triangles like this, this is one triangle and this is another triangle. Now if you place one over the other, that is like this, then they exactly coincide. So in this case, these two triangles are said to be congruent to each other. Sides of these two triangles are said to be corresponding sides, and the angles of these two triangles are corresponding angles. So 6 parts are there, they are corresponding to each other. So in this case, the sides and angles are called as corresponding sides and corresponding angles. That is, if you take this ABC and PQR, this AB and PQ are corresponding sides, BC and QR are corresponding sides, AC and PR are corresponding sides. Like that, A and P are corresponding angles, B and Q are corresponding angles, C and R are corresponding angles. Not A and R like that, the same order. Here in the case of congruency, placement of sides and angles are very important. The symbol is called as is congruent to. If you write triangle ABC, this symbol, then triangle PQR, what is the meaning? Triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR. If in these triangles ABC and PQR, if this side AB is equal to PQ, then the angle opposite to AB, that is this angle, angle C. And what is the angle opposite to PQ? That is angle R. Then the angles opposite to AB and PQ are also equal. That is angle C is equal to angle R. And also, if this side AC is equal to PR, what is that meaning? These two are corresponding sides. Then the angles opposite to those sides, that is AC, opposite angle is angle B. Then angle B is equal to angle opposite to PR, that is angle Q. So, angles opposite to the corresponding sides are always equal. Conversely, sides opposite to corresponding angles are equal. Thus, we can say that corresponding sides lie opposite to equal angles and corresponding angles lie opposite to equal sides. Thus, we can say that corresponding parts of congruent triangles are also congruent. We can write it in abbreviated form as CPCTC. Two triangles are congruent, then all the other parts of that triangle also automatically become congruent. Now we will discuss conditions for congruency in triangles. There are 5 conditions for congruency in triangles. So first of all, we can have two triangles, say A, B, C and P, Q, R. Here this AB is equal to PQ, BC is equal to QR and AC is equal to PR, not RP. In the same order we have to say. Then we will say that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR, not RQP, by side. So yes test. So this is the first test. Now in the second case, if in this triangle ABC and PQR, the side AB is equal to PQ and angle B is equal to angle Q, and the other side BC, that is equal to QR. That is, this angle is in between these two sides AB and BC. Here also this angle is in between the sides PQ and QR. That is, the included angles B and Q are equal. Then this is AB is equal to PQ, BC is equal to QR and angle B is equal to angle Q. Then we will say that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR by side angle side test. This included angle only we have to take, not this angle or this angle. Now the next one is, if this is triangle ABC and triangle PQR, then if angle A is equal to angle P and angle B is equal to angle Q and side AB is equal to side PQ, then we will say that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR. Here in this case, we will take this side only between these two angles. Here also this side between these two angles, not this or this side. So these two triangles ABC and PQ are congruent by what test? ASA test. Here the side is in between the two angles, that you have to remember. Now fourth condition for congruency, if you have two triangles, say A, B, C and P, Q, R, and if angle A is equal to angle P and angle B which is equal to angle Q and side BC is equal to side QR, then we will say that triangle ABC which is congruent to triangle PQR by what test? AAS. AAS, angle side test. Next condition for congruency in triangles is in the case right angles. Here in this case, triangle ABC and PQ are given. If this angle B is a right angle and angle Q is a right angle, that is 90 degree, and hypotenuse, that is the longest side is this hypotenuse opposite to this 90 degree, and one side, if you take AB, PQ corresponding side, this AB and PQ are equal, then we will say that triangle ABC which is congruent to triangle PQR by RHS test. If you are given this as 90 degree and hypotenuse you are given and another angle also you may have given, but immediately on seeing this right angle and hypotenuse, you should not confuse with the RHS test. That will be two angles and one side. So what is that? AAS test or ASA test. In brief, we can say that for congruence, what are the conditions? SSS test, first one. Second is SAS test. Then third one is ASA test. Fourth one is AAS test. Then fifth one is RHS test. These are the conditions for congruency in triangles. So if you want to prove two triangles are congruent, you need to prove three parts are equal. In that, at least one side should be there. More than one side is also okay, but it can't have three angles. And the fifth one is, we are saying that those two triangles are congruent to each other. Okay, thank you very much for watching the video. Soon I will come back with the next video. Till then, bye bye.